Oh, there's Miss Flicker doing her thing. She does a pretty good job. She's pretty thorough, that's for sure. Hammering away. Very nice. Butchie's in the background. All right, Miss Flicker.